Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very important issue in Indian politics, that is simultaneous election. You might have heard it being discussed in news debates, parliament, and even in your own homes. But what does it really mean? Have you ever thought? And why is it such a big deal? Let's find out. So let's build context first. Simultaneous election, often called one nation, one election, is the idea that elections for the Lok Sabha, specifically Parliament, and all state legislative assembly should be held at the same time once every 5 years. Currently in India, elections happen at different times in different states, leading to what some call a frequent election cycle. This proposal is not new. In fact, India followed simultaneous election in the early years after independence until 1967. But over time, due to dissolution of assemblies and political changes, the election schedule got out of sync. The proponents advocate several advantages for simultaneous election. Supporters believe simultaneous elections have many benefits, cost saving being the prime. Conducting one big election reduces expenditure on staff, security, and logistics. Secondly, less disruption. Frequent election means frequent implementation of Model Code of Conduct, popularly called as MCC, which slows down government work. Thirdly, efficient governance. Leaders can focus more on long term policies rather than always preparing for the next election. Fourthly, voter convenience. Citizens can vote once for both state and national leader at the same time, reducing confusion. However, every idea and policies has challenges. So there are major challenges with the idea of simultaneous election too. The major being constitutional changes. We would need major amendments to synchronize terms of different assemblies in Indian constitution. Secondly, logistical issues. Managing such a massive election at once would require enormous planning and resources. Thirdly, political concerns of the regional parties. They fear that national issues may overshadow local issues during a combined election. And some unforeseen events. What happens if the state government collapses mid-term? It could disturb the entire cycle of simultaneous election. So at last, should India have simultaneous elections and is it the right time to do so? The debate is still on. The idea promises that efficiency and saving, but also raises practical and political concerns. As informed citizens and as future educators, our role is to understand both the sides so that we can guide our classroom discussion beyond. Thank you for watching and let's keep learning critically and in creative manner.